Today, let's delve into the vibrant world of oranges, from their juicy flesh to the versatile uses of their peel. Oranges, known for their sweet to sour flavor, are enjoyed fresh, squeezed for refreshing juice, or industrially processed on a large scale. Brazil leads the world in orange juice production, followed closely by the United States. But it's not just the juicy part we can appreciate. The thick bitter rind, often discarded, can be turned into animal feed or used as a flavoring or garnish in recipes. The outermost layer, grated as zest, adds a burst of orange flavor and is a popular addition in cooking. Surprisingly, even the orange peel is edible, offering significant amounts of vitamin C, dietary fiber, and various minerals. It's a valuable part of the fruit often overlooked. Now, let's talk extracts. Sweet orange oil, a byproduct of the juice industry, is a versatile substance used in flavoring food and drinks, as well as in the perfume and aromatherapy industries. It contains D-limonene, an efficient cleaning agent with a pleasant smell, making it a preferred choice over petrochemicals, despite being classified as irritating to the skin and toxic to aquatic life. Moving on to preserves, traditional marmalade is crafted using Seville oranges. Every part of the fruit is utilized, including the pith and pips, boiled to extract pectin, which helps the conserve set. It's a delicious way to enjoy the less sweet side of oranges. Finally, let's touch on global production. In 2021, Brazil led the pack with 21% of the world's 76 million ton orange production, followed by India, China, Mexico, and the United States. Groves in the U.S. are mainly found in Florida, California, and Texas, with California's crop primarily sold as fresh fruit and Florida's destined for juice products. So, whether you're savoring a fresh orange, enjoying a glass of concentrated orange juice, or indulging in a spread of marmalade, oranges truly offer a delightful and diverse culinary experience around the globe. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content.